All right, we're updating the board. Last time we forgot to put the air dam on there. It was $309.
$309.
That's the only thing really that I knew I was gonna have to buy brand new.
Oh, now we're over 3,000 so
Oh,
far.
for real?
Dirty Linda is at $3,007.
All right, hang on. We're not done. We're not done yet.
Okay.
We've got $120 in spray paint
Oh yeah.
with Plasti Dip.
We already had $23 on there for spray paint. That was for the brakes?
Okay.
That was the
We have another $100
color paint, the
We have
hot pink
another
orange
120.
color. Okay. So then this is spray paint.
This is the Plasti Dip and the wheels for the spray paint for the wheels.
So spray paint, Plasti Dip, and then like a top coat for
And
the
the clear
wheels.
coat, yeah.
So you
Which
said
that
how
was-
much?
$120.
Okay, so we're at $3,127.
We got $75 for a bat. No, wait. I had to pay a core charge. 75
We
plus
got a battery.
12.
Okay, I'll get another column going here.
$87
$87.
for
Okay.
the battery.
Okay.
We bought some. We had to get some brake fluid
Okay.
and gear oil. Put just fluids. Because we got gear oil, brake fluid, and something else.
I'd
And that
already
was-
written out brake fluid, so I'm going with it.
Okay. Oh, it's already on there. Never mind. Brake fluid's already on there.
I thought I had fluids on
Okay,
here already.
we already done that.
Okay,
All
so
right,
rather
good. Let's
than
save some money.
that- Okay.
Just erase that. Okay.
I will.
What else do we have? I feel like I bought something else. Seems like, oh, I had to get a new brake line.
That's
Wait,
right. You said that other one
last
had a
night.
hole in it.
Uh,
Okay.
Well, I had to repair a metal brake line, then replace the flexible brake line.
Okay. Brake lines. I'm going to run it here so I can wipe that off
Okay.
better. Okay.
Brake lines were in $40.
Okay.
I may have to buy new rear brake calipers. I can't get them to bleed. I'm gonna try one more. Which they looked rough.
Okay.
They were the ones that were on the rear end, and the seals around looked rough. I haven't priced those yet. So
Okay.
where are we at so far with the
So we're
battery
at,
and the brake lines?
We're a little over 3,200, 3,250 maybe. What do you think this final project's going to end up being?
I was trying to stay under $4,000 was my goal.
Was that even with the swap?
Yeah.
Motor swap?
But this stuff's adding up quick.
I know.
Plus, I wasn't really going to account that much for those two because I already had them.
Yeah, the
that's-
coilovers with the... What's that for? CC plates? What's that?
Caster camber plates, which those are nice. They're a billet.
But this is stuff you already had.
This stuff I already had that was off of Maxine.
And then the spindle brake.
Yeah, spindle and brakes. But that's what
That's what, if you were going to buy it today.
that's what my boy said it would be at the swap meet.
Okay.
So
Okay.
I wasn't planning. That's $500. I wasn't
$550, yeah.
that I wasn't thinking. So
Okay.
and we're going to look for some stuff while we're at pits, like for the intake and possibly a carburetor, things like that while we're there
Okay.
for the swap.
And then you still got your paint stuff to redo your paint, your pads and
Yeah,
stuff.
yeah, polishing pads and things
Polishing
like that.
pads and wax or whatever you're using.
It's adding up quick.
It does. You don't realize it when you're buying a little here and a little there.
Yeah.
And then before you know it, it's a few mortgage payments.
Yep.
And this is on the cheap.
Yeah, we're trying to do it as cheap as possible.
Yeah.
I mean, fluids, you really can't. I bought transmission fluid last night.
Transmission fluid. Okay.
It was $5.50 a quart. I bought 6 quarts.
And it was how much?
$5.50 a quart.
So about $35 with tax. Okay.
Yep. Because of that leak. They leaked all over the driveway.
Oh, the kitty litter too.
How much was the kitty litter?
It was 18 something plus tax. Yeah.
That's the cheapest kitty litter they had?
It was. Yeah.
They had to be. We should have went to Dollar General. Monica went to the bougie pet store to get kitty
I was
litter.
there at Chick-fil-A already getting stuff for the kids. I just...
Write it down. Goodness gracious.
Kitty litter to...
Bougie-
Have you filmed the mess in the driveway?
Bougie kitty litter. I wanted like Dollar General kitty litter.
It was the cheapest thing they had.
Oh my goodness.
Litter cleanup. We had a $2 reward too from back when we had that dadgum dog.
Okay, so it's what,
So,
$16?
I think it was about, yeah, with tax on, I think it was still around 17. So
Oh,
litter for cleanup. Mm-hmm. Yep.
I just bought things for the front end. Hardware. That was $30.30. I remember.
So I need to write that down too.
Yep. Front end
I'm
hardware.
gonna use your dirty sweatshirt here to wipe this
That's
off
fine.
with.
Goodness, we're gonna be at 4,000 before we even get to the motor swap.
Okay, what did you say? You just got front end what?
It's hardware to mount the front end.
So front end
Air dam hardware. Goodness.
Is that how you spell that?
Sure.
Yes, do you?
Looks like R dam. R dam.
Hardware. How much?
$30.30. Put it like $31.
Okay.
That did include some more cinnamon gummy bears.
These things are so good.
Anyway, all right. I gotta stop.
Okay.
I'm getting depressed.
No more money and no, there's no more money. I mean, you know,
Oh, we're going to.
you're gonna have to recoup the.
I'm gonna start.
You have to make more money before you spend more money.
I guess I does it. I don't know if I can get anything for the old parts off of. Does that count? Can I get positive back in the budget
Can you sell the metal scrap?
or whatever?
Is there anything worth doing second hand over there?
Not really. Might get something for the metal. I'll sell it to my daddy.
There you go.
He's the scrap man
There you go.
to get some money back in the budget. Oh.
Get a good shot of that $18 kitty litter over there.
Oh no. $18 kitty litter.
I know.
Oh, my
It was the
word.
cheapest thing there. And I got it because and even though it was in that hard plastic container, it wasn't any more expensive. I think there was an extra 5 pounds for the same price in a bag, but I thought if it stayed in that container, it would be less likely to spill out and you'd be able to save it and use it again.
That is nice.
So I felt like it was the better buy.
But I haven't bought kitty litter in a long time. Well,
It's been a while since we've had this big of a mess in the driveway.
I hadn't bought. Well, I didn't buy it then. When Gearhead 704 dumped 5 quarts of oil on the driveway
Oh, yeah.
when we were here doing a video. Remember that? Mm-hmm. You guys need to go back and watch that video on his channel or my channel. Oh, he had an oil filter come off. 5 quarts of oil all over the ground. But it cleaned up. You can't even tell it was ever there. I don't remember exactly what I did to get it cleaned up, but
Kitty litter and pressure washing.
I think I put some lacquer thinner on it too
Oh.
to kind of like
Thin
de-stain
out.
it.
Yeah.
Anyway, that's all for the update today. Monica's gonna add this up and make it look better, or at least get us a running total there,
Okay.
so I can be depressed every time I walk in the garage. Dirty Linda's getting expensive.
You know, like Dolly Parton says, it's expensive to look this cheap.
You saying she looks cheap?
That's what she says. I love Dolly. I'm just saying.
That's why you.
It costs a lot of money to look this cheap. That's what she says.
I don't know if you want to talk about Dirty Linda like that. Anyway,
All right.
tell them what it is.
The total?
Yeah, let's see it
Oh,
before.
gosh. I don't want to do that much math in my head.
I got my phone right here.
Okay, let me use it.
Let's get a total before we
I'm
sign off here.
I'm done with thinking today.
You act like you had a hard week or something.
It has been. Just because you own and run a spa doesn't mean it's relaxing. I'll tell you that.
Top corner.
Oh, yeah, I forgot about that. Where is it? Calculator. Okay. All right, you ready? Okay.
Probably use AI and just take a picture of it and let it add it for you. But
That's the ultimate laziness right there, isn't it? Okay. 3,337.
you can't see my face right now, but I am shocked.
Here we go. 3,337.
How?
All those darn fluids.
Dadgummit.
Look at them. Look at them.
Spent more in spray paint and fluid than I spent for the wheels and tires.
Yeah.
Okay.
3,337. Okay.
All right. See you guys at Pitts. Come buy a t-shirt.
And my t-shirt, we need money.
I need money.